Create purchase orders to formalize vendor agreements and inventory commitments. Procurement begins in the purchase order module, the strategic management and acquisition of critical goods and services. The vendor field identifies the primary supplier responsible for organizational requirements. Identifying the vendor automatically populates preferred banking data and transactional currency. It also provides unique identification codes for immediate validation and data consistency. Vendor reference numbers ensure records reconciliation. Cost centers ensure departmental budget allocation. Price ratings track performance. VAT withheld and input tax credits maintain strict fiscal compliance and reporting accuracy. The material lookup pulls pre-verified data from existing requisitions directly into the current order. This maintains procurement continuity, speed, and overall organizational data integrity. The material grid displays quantities, units, and delivery schedules essential for operational continuity. It ensures that every requested item is properly accounted for within the procurement lifecycle. This visibility allows managers to track line items against original project requirements. Initial rates determine unit costs to calculate the total financial obligation for this purchase. These figures populate based on pre-negotiated contracts or historical averages. This ensures budgetary alignment and prevents unauthorized spend across various departmental acquisition channels. Tax groups and withholding tax ensure transactions comply with local fiscal regulations and reporting. These settings automatically apply correct rates based on the vendor profile. This logic prevents manual entry errors and ensures tax reporting remains accurate. Detailed line descriptions provide technical instructions regarding material specifications and quality requirements. This clarity reduces the risk of supplier errors. It ensures delivered goods meet the exact standards required for the ongoing project. This documentation maintains a clear audit trail of all requirements for internal stakeholders. Payment breakup defines specific milestones to manage vendor compensation and organizational cash flow cycles. These terms ensure disbursements align perfectly with progress reports and performance benchmarks. This safeguards the company against overpayment or early settlement. It also maintains healthy supplier relationships through transparent and predictable financial management practices and accounting protocols. Attaching supporting documentation provides a comprehensive digital audit trail for the entire purchase history. These files verify the necessity and legitimacy of the transaction. They serve as critical evidence for future internal reviews or external financial audits. Submitting the purchase order triggers the internal approval workflow and commitment of funds. This action transitions the requisition into a legally binding commitment. It formally notifies the supplier that the order is ready for immediate fulfillment. Tracking history provides a chronological overview of document progression, including timestamps and status changes. This log ensures full transparency. It records exactly who authorized the purchase. It also shows when each stage of the approval process was completed by the stakeholders. This centralized workflow ensures accurate supplier interactions while enforcing rigorous financial controls. The system improves overall procurement efficiency. It automates data population and validates every transaction against established business rules and departmental budgets. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.